Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. Today I'm going to do the unboxing for a Porsche Dakar Black. This was a very old release but I haven't bought it. But then recently I saw and I imported it. I saw some of the cool videos of this. I really like the car. I have another version but it is the Dakar that has uh, all the stuff on the back. I think it's a rally version. So let's open this and check how does it look. It looks cool. I mean, the first impression of the car looks really nice. Some cool details of this: the steel plates on front and rear bumper. It's more like off-roading car. 5-spoke wheels. This is wider than this one. We have steel plate over here as well on both sides. You can see. Side profile is really cool. Black colors look nice. Back looks cool with the Porsche logo and 911 Dakar it says. Let's see if we can focus. Yeah, better. We have exhaust over here. The front looks cool. There is a red line here. I don't know what that means, but the headlights look cool. They're really cool. This is the plainest car. This is your spoiler. The plainest Porsche, and it's really nice actually. And it does probably roll well as well. It's off-road car. It should roll well. Yeah, this is a cool one to have. Other than this, I have so many Porsche as you can see, right? Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.